This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Beautiful interior unit in the attached townhomes at the premier 55-plus community of Colonial Heritage. Lovely, light-filled floor plan with two-story family room, large kitchen with granite counters and newer appliances. First floor primary suite with an additional second full bath on the main level featuring an updated walk-in tub. The den/office with French doors could easily be converted into a second bedroom on the main level. Bright and airy sunroom leads to a low-maintenance fenced yard with newer retractable awning. Upstairs, a sizable loft space leads to an additional bedroom overlooking the pond with an updated full bath and final bedroom with a cedar closet. Low utilities, fresh paint throughout, multiple updates and very well maintained. For more information, review the details below.